In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Canva app on your iPhone. Now, Canva is a software that you use to make thumbnails or projects or banners. Really, it's kind of like a free version of Photoshop. So what we could do is go to your phone's app store. In this case, I am on my iPhone here. You want to go down to the magnifying glass or the search area at the bottom right-hand corner and go ahead and type in Canva. And go ahead and hit Canva. And the search that you want to find usually is the first one to pop up. So go ahead and hit Get. And then it may ask you for your Face ID here just to confirm the download itself. And that's going to download. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and hit Open from this point or come out of your app store and go find the Canva app on your phone, wherever it may be. I'm just going to go to my app library here and go ahead and hit Canva. And from this point forward, you can go ahead and make an account. It is free and free to use. There are free and paid versions, but that's it. Super simple and super easy to download on your iPhone.